When you need to replace a toner cartridge, the system displays an alert message on the touch panel. You can add the cartridges to the system while it is powered on, but not while it is operating. Perform the following steps to properly replace a toner cartridge. Open the side cover by grabbing the recessed handle. Warning: potential damage. To prevent damage from electrostatic discharge, touch any exposed metal frame of the printer before accessing or touching interior areas of the printer. The cover will pivot downwards. Do not try to access the toner cartridges with the cover in this hinged position. While still holding onto the handle, lift the front of the cover upwards. This will make the toner cartridges fully accessible. Press in the green button to expose the toner cartridge and pull the toner cartridge holder toward you. Pull out the empty toner cartridge. Unpack the new toner cartridge and insert it into its holder and push it back until it clicks into the proper position. Close the side cover.